Israel is a beacon of light in a sea of Islamic darkness. It is the only democracy in the Middle East. And it's the only country in the region that shares our values. Let's never forget it. And its conflict with Islam, it's not about land. You will not solve it by changing land. It's about ideology. It's a conflict about ideology. It's a conflict between freedom and tyranny.
I am mind blown right now. This work never ceases to amaze me. I've come to see families whose homes look like this. They're living in a tent. And I'm giving them food and they're telling me, you come inside and have food with us. And when I'm giving them food packs, they're saying maybe there's somebody that needs it more than us. Like I'm asking them 3-4 times before they're taking it. Wallahi, this is the type of stuff I used to read about as a kid. I used to read these inspiring stories of people in the past, Sahaba and people like this, and the sacrifices that they made for each other. And it's very rare to come across people like that nowadays.
Acknowledge that Islam is an influential ideology that fosters hatred and terror, and as a result is not compatible with the values of the Netherlands.
نضال ليش بتضلك عابط الولد ونايم هيك؟
عشان لو تسيبونا اللي بيصير علي بيصير علي.
طب وأنا؟
ليش انت؟
طب أنا ليش مش حاطيني جنبكم يعني؟
هذا ما عنديش غيره في الدنيا كلها. الدنيا كلها.
الله يحميكم يا رب.
إذا أنت إذا خايفة على حالك تعالي على بطينة ونامي.
الله يحميكم يا رب.